Boom! Hello everyone. As you can see, I didn't pick the best weather. It's starting to rain. I'm going to ride all the way to my local hill. Stay with me. See you on the top. Well, it's starting to rain pretty bad, so I need some kind of shelter. Okay, let me just unpack the stuff, get my gimbal, and let's start. Okay, here we are, finally. Well, it's stopped raining, so yeah, I think I will be able to make it. Here's the bike, AYA is here with all the mods, and let's start. Before I begin, one quick disclaimer. As you can see, and as you will see in the video, I have lots of gear from SW-Motech, lots of equipment. They did send me all the gear, but in exchange for my photos. Since I'm a professional photographer and videographer, you can say that I've paid all this with my photos. So yeah, no biased opinion here. I'm going to be completely honest. And I had this gear on my bike for 1 year, and I can really give you my honest opinion. And by the way, if you will have any kind of questions for any kind of gear in particular, I will make a video about it, and I will make my reviews about some special parts like this track stop case or stuff like, I don't know, sidebars, crash bars with dry bags. Okay, let's start. So at the back I have track stop case from SW-Motech. It's a hard case. I've installed a power bank inside. I got my cables for my drone, for my mobile phone, for my photo equipment, basically anything. Anything that I use on my trips for my photo and video stuff. It's very cool because you can lock it here and it's secure in some way, and it's protected from the rain. On the side I've installed a 2-liter canister for fuel, very useful when you're going on longer trips, especially because XSR 700 tank is very small. On the other side I have 2 water bottles. Trust me, they saved me so many times. So yeah, very useful stuff. On the back I have a plate holder that is much shorter than original. Honestly, I don't know the brand's name, but if you don't have the top case or something in the back, you will get sprayed with water if you're riding in the rain. So it looks nice, but it's not good rain protection. The top case is mounted on the GV rack because SW-Motech doesn't have a rack for XSR 700, I think, and you have to buy this modular plate for tubular racks. You have to modify it a little bit, but it works very well. It's sturdy, and I'm very happy about it. With it, I have this lock over here, and these are custom blinkers. I have them in front, but I will talk about them later. On the side, I have two SW-Motech tool bags. I usually keep my GoPro stuff in one bag or something that I need to get access very quickly, and on the other side I usually keep my lights, small LED lights or batteries, and some tools. Very useful stuff. This is air cushion from SW-Motech. XSR 700 seat is very bad. I've been riding all kinds of motorcycles, and this seat is like the worst. I don't know. After 2 hours or 3 hours, especially if you're going on a longer trip, this is a lifesaver. Let's go on the tank. So on the tank I have Legend gear, like small bag that is mounted on the strap that goes over here. And I think that SW-Motech doesn't have these straps in their offer anymore. They stopped manufacturing them. But if you have some leather shop, local leather shop in your place, you can make something from the leather or some other kind of material and put it here, just like this. I know because my friend did it and it works very well. The bag is very small and I use it to put my keys, my wallet, my mobile phone, or even charger if you want to charge the phone while you're riding on quad lock. Very useful stuff. I don't have any big bags over here because I think that on this bike big tank bags don't look too good, so I have this one. Over here I have protection set from SW-Motech. This one is more cosmetic stuff for oil. Over here I have protection for water pump. I think that's water pump. And over here I have a plate and this guards, and I have to modify it because I have a Krapovich exhaust and this plate, bottom plate, didn't fit, and I have to cut a few things, but it's working now because it's made for original exhaust. So on the other side I have few protection parts. I think you can get them all in one, like package, or you can buy them separately. Engine guard over here, and what else? Oh, on this side there's this protection kit. It's cosmetic stuff. I have SW-Motech lever, switch lever, gear lever. Trust me, it's very good, and it's much more better than the regular one. You can adjust it, customize it by your size of the shoes you have wearing, boots or anything like that. And this is most useful and the cheapest part or mod on my bike. It's foot stand extension, I think it's called like that. So very useful. For example, if you're putting your bike in placed like this, where it's not stable and the ground is wet, or you have shitty pavement or asphalt. Usually the food stand is very small and very narrow, so trust me, this one helps a ton. Especially if you're going on a trip, you are in a hurry or you're in the dark and you just want to safely put your bike on the stand. This is like very good stuff. These bags are the most I have the most questions on my Instagram page or my YouTube page about these bags and crash bars. So these bags are mounted on SW-Motech crash bars for XSR 700, as you can see over here. And let me tap the focus over here. Okay. The bags are mounted on crash bars and they are waterproof and dustproof, so everything you put inside them, it's protected. And maybe if I'll fall down from the bike, they will give me some protection, extra protection. So on this side, on this bag, I keep my underwear, something warm if I get stuck somewhere, a few shirts. And on the other side, over here, I have a first aid kit, my rain suit, and the most important thing, toilet paper. So that's the mystery of the bags. So they are called dry bag 80 tail bags from SW-Motech. Very useful stuff. Okay, let's go to the front. Over here I have hand guards from SW-Motech too, and extensions. These are very useful in winter time and I really love them. It saved my hands. I mean, it won't warm your hands, but it will stop the cold wind and keep you at least a little bit warmer. On the front side, I have this, I think it's Yamaha original number plate. It's just for cosmetics. It doesn't do anything, doesn't protect you from the wind. Then I have over here, sorry. Let me tap in. I have these sliders, front axle sliders, protection on both sides. Over here. And on the front, we have this big LED light and small blinkers. The light and the blinkers are from the same manufacturer or brand, and I will do a separate video about lights and blinkers, but long story short, I don't recommend this light or blinkers at all because my halo light died very quickly and my rear blinker died, and you can't fix it. You can't open the light, so if something breaks, like in my case, you have to send it to Australia or buy a new light or try to open it, but probably you will break it because it's sealed shut and you don't have any screws. What else? Oh, I almost forgot, and I have Rally Scorpion tires from Pirelli, and they were excellent. I've ridden them for, let's say, 1,000 kilometers maybe now, and they're excellent. I will do a separate video about them, and I almost forgot. I have this cheap but useful Amazon or eBay radiator guard. If you have a small fender like I have on my bike, this radiator guard is like a lifesaver. Did I forget anything? I have my Akrapovic, it's from the previous owner. I've drilled the holes in DB killers, so it's a little bit louder, not too much loud, just to be noticed when I'm going somewhere, because people don't pay any kind of attention. They're on their phones, of course, looking at their Instagrams. What else? Oh, I have last thing, sorry. I have this SW-Motech carriers installed on footpacks. These are for their blaze saddlebags that you can put over here instead of these tool bags. And these are very useful because you don't have to take them. You just take the rods over here and put the saddlebags on. It's very useful. I will make a video about it very soon, hopefully. So I think that's it. The weather is okay. It's not raining anymore. I think that I will be able to make it back home without needing to get my rain gear. But yeah, once again, here's the bike, and let me know in the comments below what are the mods that you're most interested in, so I can make a review. I think that most of you are interested in these side bags and in top case. So yeah, give me your feedback, and I see you in the next video, I guess, very soon. Stay tuned, subscribe, like. I'm out. See you guys in the next one. Bye.